first time we plant this year this Bajra. This is seeds of Bajra, and like that. You see this one seeds. And this one will become also like corn. Our corn also, you see. But by this year, not too much corn. We plant so many, but not too much. So we plant again little by little because some field is empty. So my husband he plant also this place here, and that's why we plant also this one Bajra. I don't know what you call this in English, so I have to research this one. And this is good for feeds for chicken, small chicken. And also these grasses, green and dried grasses of this Bajra, animals can eat also, especially these goats, buffaloes, cows. So we plant this year, first time from that place. In that tree is walnuts. So up to here, and up to that place where is empty. 1 month ago you plant in that place there. Yeah, so we will go there then so that we can see it's coming out now like this already. So first I did not see also this tree or plant of this Bajra, so inshallah I can see this one, and we have to harvest the same with corn. But this corn we plant 1 month ago. 1 month ago already this one there. Hmm. You see our two bakra, the bakri. They're coming here to, now they start already to eat grasses. They eat only little bit milk because they are already 2 months. 2 months already. 1 month, yeah. More than 1 month. So they start already to eat grasses. Ayan. And very nice weather for today. Yan yung Raulacot City, yung maraming buildings na yan. Ayan. And dito naman sa aking village, a lot of abundance trees, abundant different kind of trees. You see this bakri now, he start to eat this one, no? Kicker, leaves for kicker.
Their friends now, they're walking anywhere.
Yeah. You did not put rope this one there, Rasi?
No, 6 months I did not put for them.
Eh.
If you leave them open,
Ah?
they will become more healthy and
Yeah, because if we keep in rope, then they are not healthy. So better they will uh, open. So that's why they can go anywhere and they can find grasses to eat. But they're not going anywhere, no?
no only there will be here.
Yeah, they're not going anywhere and always they're with my husband. So this is Bajra, and this is already 1 month. Like this, it's like corn. And first time I see this plant of Bajra. Ayan, dito tinanim nila kayo. Ayan mga yan. Nila kinain ng ano, oh, yan, oh. Kinain ng kambing namin. Ayan. Ayan. like that, the way, like this, the way we plant in this line, in between of corns. Mm-mm. You see this, dalawang kambing, oh. Sunod-sunuran sila kay lakay. Ah, ang bilis nilang lumaki, oh. Last May 8 sila eh, May 8. So ano ngayon? June 23. June 23 ngayon, and today is Sunday. And time now in Pakistan is 4:30 p.m. Ayan, may ano na, may azan na ng ano, asir. Kaya akyat na ako. Ganyan pala itong buds na ito. And then these flowers there, what color of these flowers also when it become big? Ha? Ha? Atsa. Hmm. Not flowers, only seeds like this eh. I don't know really this kind of when it will come out in on when we harvest in that time I know. Ayan. And that buds ra, this kind of seeds is, this is good for to feed this, especially chicken, like these chicks, because they cannot eat like these big corns. So this is very nice feeds for chicken, especially chicks. And also this one, ano, they're eating also this kuboter na pigeons. Yeah, this is a favorite of pigeons, this badsra. And this seeds, it's like similar to coriander seeds, there no, danya. And this one, my husband also plant corns. You see, too much empty this field here because not there is no rain. That's why.
No more rain.
Yeah, that's why you see, oh, there is so too much empty of these corns. And popcorns also we plant, but no more come out. But inshallah, will come. What is possible to come out? Ayun sila kay, oh. Nagdala ako ng ano, ng tsaa. Tapos merienda niya yung ano, chapati, half chapati.